the same, 'cause I long for you more each day. I need you, I want to feel your embrace and have the chance to touch your face. I was lost and alone, but you showed me the way. Now I call you my own. Things will never be the same. How could I know you will hold me close so tenderly, even though I'm alone? I can feel your arms enfolding me, and that love became mine in just one night when you held me tight. Ooh, it felt so right.
Oh,
Message for us. Batiin mo
Of
kami.
course. Ayan, dahil first year anniversary niya na, binabati ko kayo ng maligayang anibersaryo. Oh, alam mo, Kuya Vin, miss na miss ka na ni Ate Maan. Sobra, alam mo, iyak siya ng iyak dito. Pero, yaraya. Hindi, pero totoo yun, promise. So, stay strong, okay? Huwag niyong kakalimutan mag-pray. Alam niyo naman, medyo malayo tayo sa isa't isa, lalo na kayo nila ate. Nako, kuya, umayos ka dyan. Alam mo yan.
Go.
Okay, happy anniversary, Vim and Maan. May
Thank
God bless you. More years to come.
Thank you.
Happy anniversary, Vin and Maan.
Thank you.
There you go. Happy first anniversary, Maan and Vim. Stay strong, be patient, and be happy.
You're so lucky to have
Go
Maan.
forth and multiply. Lol, just kidding. Hoy, nagaan mo si Maan.
Ganda ko.
Yung bata.
And maganda.
At makinig.
At maganda.
At makinig. Sige na.